Propagating lemon trees can be done through several methods, including seeds, cuttings, and air layering. Here's some tips for each method. 1. Propagation from seeds. Collect seeds from ripe, healthy lemons. Clean the seeds and soak them in water overnight to soften the outer seed coat. Plant the seeds in a well-draining potting mix, burying them about inch deep. Keep the soil consistently moist and place the pot in a warm, sunny location. Germination may take several weeks to months. Once seedlings have developed several sets of true leaves, transplant them into individual pots. 2. Propagation from cuttings. Take a cutting from a healthy, mature lemon tree, preferably from a semi-hardwood branch. Cut a 6-8 inch piece of the branch, making the cut just below a leaf node. Remove the lower leaves from the cutting, leaving only a couple of leaves at the top. Dip the cut end of the cutting in rooting hormone to promote root development. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist and place the pot in a warm, humid environment with bright, indirect light. Rooting may take several weeks to months. Once roots have developed, transplant the cutting into a larger pot. 3. Propagation by air layering. Select a healthy branch on the lemon tree and make a diagonal cut through the bark about 12 inches from the tip of the branch. Remove a 1-inch wide ring of bark from around the branch, exposing the cambium layer. Apply rooting hormone to the exposed cambium layer. Wrap the exposed area with moist sphagnum moss and cover it with plastic wrap to retain moisture. Secure the moss and plastic wrap with twine or rubber bands. Keep the moss consistently moist and wait for roots to develop, which may take several weeks to months. Once roots have developed, cut the branch below the rooted area and transplant it into a pot filled with potting mix. Regardless of the propagation method you choose, it's essential to provide the newly propagated lemon tree with proper care, including adequate sunlight, water, and nutrients, to ensure its healthy growth and development.